Hi, in this video we will see how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows computer. To install Visual Studio Code, at first we need to download Visual Studio Code. We can download Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. So just open any of your favorite browser and type code.visualstudio.com, and once you type there, hit enter key, then this page will be appeared, and from here there is a download link of Visual Studio Code. Download for Windows. We just need to click over there, then it will come this page, and the Visual Studio editor, that means the software, will be download very shortly, and you will find it here. Once you finish downloading the installer, just go to your download location. For my computer, the download location is under downloads, so I'm going there and I see the Visual Studio Code is there, and that is a exe file. So to install it, we just need to double click on top of it, or you can right click and then you can click on open to start the installation window, and very shortly it will open one window from where you can actually jump to installation. Once this window is appeared, then it will ask you to accept the agreement. So I'm going to check this box, that check radio button, and then after that we have to click next, and then again click next, and then finally you will find three buttons: back, install, cancel. So we have to click install button to start the installation. I just click there, and then it will start installation of Visual Studio Code shortly. It will take some time, like few seconds to few minutes. It depends on the speed of your computer, that means the computer performance. Once the installation finished, then it will prompt you that the installation is successful. Once the installation is complete, then it will give you this confirmation that completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard, and it is giving you click finish to exit setup. Okay, and then just uncheck this thing and click on finish button to complete the installation. Now you can close this thing, and to open the Visual Studio Code, what you have to do, you need to click the start button and then start typing VIS. Then it will show you Visual Studio Code. Just double click on top of it, and then the Visual Studio Code will be opened very shortly, and you will see this type of welcome message. So in this way you can easily install Visual Studio Code on your Windows computer. Hopefully by watching this video you are able to install Visual Studio Code on your computer, and if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. See you on next video.